Right, so in this video we are working on a gege 6-pin gege pextra. It's purple belted lock on the LPU system. So I'm hoping today to get it open on camera. I've opened it a couple of times but not on camera. Let's hope we can change that with this video. Yes, come on. Oh, I've been waiting for this lock to get open for so long. I've probably been working on this lock now for around 3 weeks. And to finally get it on camera is a nice big achievement for me. Oh, as you can see there, nice and open. So happy with that. So, pin 1 is an anti-drill pin. Pin 2 is standard. Pin 3 standard. Pin 4 standard. There goes my e-cig. Pin 5 is standard. And pin 6 is standard. And here we've got a double spool, chamber 1, chamber 2 we've got anti-drill pin, number 3 we've got like a triple spool, serrated spool maybe, Number 4, standard. Oh, no, it's not. Tapered. Don't know if you can tell or not. Not sure if it's tapered or if it's got something on the side of it. Oh, the springs have gone mad. Five is another like triple spool. And 6 is a tiny little spool. So there's the pins. Just correct all them. There's all the pins. So, thanks for watching.